In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in Squarespace. If you want to place a banner style image on your page, Squarespace makes it pretty simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to insert an image block and turn it into the banner visual you want for your site. To begin, open the page or section in Squarespace where you want the banner to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on Add Block. This is the starting point for inserting new content into your layout, and it allows you to choose the type of element you want to add. From the block options that appear, click on Image. Since a banner is usually created using a wide visual, the image block is the tool you'll use here. After selecting it, the image block will be added to your page. Next, click directly on the image block. This selects the block so you can work with its settings. When the block is active, look for the pencil icon and click it. The pencil icon opens the editing panel for that specific image block, where you can control the content and update the image being displayed. Inside the editor, click on Add an Image. This tells Squarespace that you want to place a visual into the block. At this point, you'll usually have two main choices depending on where your banner image is coming from. If you already have a banner image saved on your computer, click Upload File. Then choose the image you want to use from your device. This is the best option if you've already prepared a custom banner for your brand, promotion, or website design. If you don't have an image ready yet, you can instead click Browse Stock Images. This gives you access to built-in stock image options, which can be helpful if you want something professional and quick without creating your own graphic first. After that, select an image. Whether you uploaded your own file or chose a stock image, make sure the one you pick works well as a banner. In most cases, wider images tend to look better because they fit the banner style more naturally and reduce the chance of awkward cropping. Once you've chosen the image you want, click Add Image. Squarespace will place that image into the image block, and your banner will now appear on the page. That's all it takes to add a banner in Squarespace. If needed, you can continue adjusting the block afterward to better match your page layout and overall design. A clean, high-quality image can make a big difference, so take a moment to choose one that supports the message of your site.